Welcome to this video in Adobe Illustrator that shows how to use the blend feature to create the beautiful color fadings on the body of a car. Here's a photo of a Corvette that is used to explain the technique. The major tool for the drawing part is the pen tool, and the eyedropper tool is for selecting colors in the photo. Of course, there are layers, and here is the photo on the bottom layer. The layers above contain all the elements that are in front of the body. These elements are already created, as you can see when the layers are visible. Here's the layer behind the wheels, then there are the wheels, and then the fender edges. On top of that is the direction light. Then we have the windows, the roof, and so on. The most challenging and also the most rewarding part of drawing the car is creating the body with all the shapes and fadings. That is why I save it for last. There are two ways to create the fading look of the body: gradients and blend. The gradients are also already made, as you can see here. There are three blend groups in the finished drawing. The first blend is made of three shapes that I find by looking at the colors in the photo. I zoom in a little bit with the zoom tool, and then I use the eyedropper tool to select the dark color here. Use the pen tool to draw that dark shape. And I close it there. This shape is copied. I copy this shape, copy, and paste it in back. Means it's right behind the other. Then I use the eyedropper tool to select the middle color. And I use the direct selection tool to reshape that color. You can see I drag a little bit there. There. We have it here. And then all the way out here. That shape is also copied and pasted back. And I use the eyedropper tool to select the lightest of the red color and reshape that too. Like that. Oh, you can drag it a bit like that. And up here, drag that there, and I drag it around here. Now all three shapes are made, and I select all three shapes, and then I select Object, Blend, Make. And it's made, and I zoom out. You can see the blend is made. The second blend group starts behind the first blend. I use the eyedropper tool and I select the light color here. And then I use pen tool again, and I just draw behind all the other elements. You don't have to think about that, because just see it here. I drag there, over here to the bottom there. And I close it behind all the others. I move that in back, Object, Range, then to back. This I copy like before, copy and paste in back. I use the eyedropper tool to select the middle red color here, there. Use the direct selection tool to change the shape, like that there. This can be dragged up a little bit. So, there, here, and that one goes up there, and this one goes up there. I copy this shape too. Copy, paste and back, and I select the dark color there. I use the selection tool to reshape that one. So here, there, and then that one all the way up there. A little bit, drag that one there, like that. Select the three, and again, object, blend, make. And that is made. I can turn off that one. You can see that. The final group, blend group, is the one behind the window. I zoom in a little bit so we can see, and then I show you the picture photo. I use the eyedropper tool first and select the light color just there. Then I use the pen tool to draw that shape. Goes over here, down there, and a little bit up here, there. I take this, not light enough, so I use eyedropper tool, select that color there. I copy that shape and paste it back. Select the eyedropper tool and select that color there. Then I use the direct selection tool to change the shape. There, there, there. Make sure it's behind that, there, and out there. Take these two. I only need two this time, and I make blend. I think it's a little bit too light here, but I can make that just by selecting the first blend. I can do that with the direct selection tool. And then I can use the eyedropper tool to find another color that's more suitable. That's too light there, like that. A little bit up. So the car is finished.